What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to find TikTok videos you have already seen. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Open up TikTok and navigate to the profile section. From here, tap on the burger menu on the top right to access your settings. Next, under Account, select Privacy. Here, you can select to download your data. When requesting your TikTok data, all of your recent activity will be sent to you, but it may take up to a day in order to get all of the information you need. Make sure to select TXT as the file format, which will be in normal text format. Next, tap on Request Data. In the Download Data section, you will see the request to download your data, which will be processed usually within a few hours. This download will expire when requesting your data again. Make sure to download this file to your local files, and you can then open it up using any text editor such as Pages. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.